Our adventure for today is the Klamath River jet boat tours, put on by the Native Americans here. New York Drive. They'll take us up the river for a 2-hour tour. It's going to be fantastic and exciting. Jet Boat Tours offers an experienced captain and narrator who shares the rich history of the river, the local Native American culture, the thriving wildlife, bears, black-tailed deer, elk, soaring osprey, eagles, hawks, otters, mink, and many other varieties of wildlife may be seen if you carefully look along the riverbanks. They take pride in providing you with a wonderful and exciting tour up the Klamath. Another 360.
So folks, this gravel bar in front of us here has a little bit of history to it. This is the former site of the famous Blue Creek Lodge. Blue Creek Lodge was lost in the flood of '64 along with everything else on this river and never rebuilt, but prior to that, back in its day, it was quite the place to be. It was host to quite a few different VIPs and dignitaries alike. People such as Clark Gable would come up and fly fish here. President Roosevelt paid a visit, President Truman paid a visit. A famous horticulturalist as well named Luther Burbank, just to name a few. Now, Luther Burbank was also an artist, as he would stay sometimes at this lodge for months on end. He would trade his paintings for the court. The Blue Creek Special was invented here along with the brindlebug and many other flies used for fly fishing this area, but what made the Blue Creek Lodge
A 45-mile daily round trips are on a first-come, first-served basis. However, guests can confirm reservations, and they're guaranteed for a spot on board. The 2-hour tour that takes you up to the estuary and then 22 miles up the river. The estuary tour is a 1-hour tour that takes you around the estuary. Prices start at $63 for adults, $58 for seniors or military. Teenagers are $48. Children 4 and 11 are $43, and children under 4 are free. The boat tours are located off Highway 101 at 17635 US 101, Klamath, California, 95548. We're at the Prairie Creek Visitor Center of the Redwoods National Park. There's a herd of elk out here in the meadow. Here's the beach behind the Southern Visitor Center, just south of Oric, California. Look how gray the sand is. Doing it.